Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you how you can connect an intercom panel to an intercom matrix using IPedit. The first step is to check the preferences and make sure we have a connection. Click the checkbox symbol in the menu bar to open Preferences. Click the Discovery tab, then select the Ethernet connection. And after that step, go to the Devices tab and make sure that none of these hide boxes are checked. Click OK. To see if we have any devices on the network, we can click the plus button in the menu bar. Here we see all the devices that are on the network in the same network range. So I'm going to select the matrix here first and click Add. Now you can see here in the catalog that we have an Odin matrix added to the list, but we want to connect some panels to it. To do this, we click the plus button again and select the panel. Let's try this one. Click on it, and you can see the authentication table. You first need to add a username and password and give it admin rights to be able to connect it to your matrix. So click Add. The default username is admin and the password is password in all lowercase. Make sure you tick this admin box, otherwise you will not be able to make changes. You can also add in another username if you want, but it's not necessary for setup. Now, to send all these changes to your intercom matrix and into the panel, click the lightning symbol in the menu bar. Now, when we click the panel, you can see more tabs have appeared. We start with the Omnio tab. Let's rename our panel. You can check the software versions of the panel, and you can change the IP address. For the subnet mask, we always advise to keep it as small as possible and make sure none of these boxes are checked for the first setup. Especially this one, Enable AIO. If this one is checked, you cannot connect this panel via IP to your intercom matrix because this is set as analog, and then you would use a different method. To send these changes, click the lightning symbol again. Now we have this panel here and we want to connect it to our matrix. To do so, we go to Channel 1. Select the field destination device name and click on this square with the 3 dots. Now your network will show up. Click the drop-down button. Select which device to connect to. And I know the number 11 is my matrix, so I want to connect it to the matrix. Press OK. Automatically, the IP address comes up in the description, and here it says Destination Channel 2. Okay, I don't want it to connect to Channel 2 of the matrix. I want it to connect to Channel 1 of the matrix, so you can change that here. Let's send these changes. So in the status window, we now see a red square, meaning, okay, I want to connect to something. But there's no connection yet. The thing you have to do is also tell the matrix that you want to connect something on Channel 1. Click the matrix and then click the device destination name field, and let's select our newly added panel. Repeat the same steps as before. Click the 3 dots and select the device from your network list. And always select Channel 1 to connect to the other side. Now we send these changes. Again, click the lightning symbol. The green squares show that you have made the connection. So now the audio connection is full duplex and you have a data connection. You now know how to connect an intercom panel to an intercom matrix using IPedit. For more videos, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.